Basic daily words and usage. Greetings and polite words. Hi, hello. Use when you meet someone. Hi, how are you? Bye. Use when leaving. Bye, see you tomorrow. Please. Use when requesting politely. Please give me water. Thank you. Use to show gratitude. Thank you for your help. Sorry. Use to apologize. Sorry, I am late.
2. Positive and negative words. Good, something nice or correct. This food is good. Bad, something not nice. This weather is bad. Nice, pleasant or kind. You are a nice person. Great, very good, stronger than good. That's a great idea. Awesome, very exciting or amazing. Your work is awesome.
3. Feelings. Happy, feeling joy. I am happy today. Sad, feeling unhappy. She is sad. Angry, feeling mad. He is angry. Tired, feeling weak or sleepy. I am tired after work. Excited, very happy and energetic. I am excited about the trip.
4. Basic conversation words. Yes, agree. Yes, I understand. No, disagree. No, I don't like it. Okay or okay. Accept or agree. Okay, I will do it. Why? Ask reason. Why are you late? What? Ask about something. What is your name? How? Ask about method or condition. How are you? When? Ask about time. When will you come? Where? Ask about place. Where do you live?
5. Useful action words, very important. Come, move toward you. Come here. Go, move away. Go there. Eat, to have food. Eat your lunch. Drink, to take liquid. Drink water. Make, to create something. Make tea. Do, to perform an action. Do your homework. 6. Daily use expressions. Wait, ask someone to stop briefly. Wait for me. Listen, pay attention. Listen carefully. Look, see something. Look at this. Help, ask or give support. Help me, please. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.